Hello everyone, this is sadout.gallery and my name is Sherry. In this video I am going to show you how to make this beautiful coaster for a Mr. or Mrs. Doctor. We prepare our mold, that could be any shape that you like, and then we add a thin layer of clear resin inside our molds, and then we choose the tablets and the capsules. It's nice if they are colorful so we can have a variety of colors. After 1 to 2 hours that our clear resin is a bit sticky, we start putting the tablets and capsules inside the mold, and I also added some small pieces of gold leaves. Now we add another layer of clear resin until all the tablets and capsules are covered with resin. After 24 hours it's time to demold, and your beautiful coaster is ready.